everyone, I'm Dr. Becky Bailey, the creator of Conscious Discipline, and I am so excited about this new 2-day workshop I'm putting out. I don't know about you, but whoa, we live in an angry society. It seeps out all around us and from within us. Politics, religion, and it certainly doesn't miss the educational arena. I 40 years and I've seen everything. Kids throwing desks, destroying classrooms, adults, teachers destroying any trust that a child might have in them. I've seen fights with district offices, school boards, parents coming to the school. It's a lot. It's a lot. So what do we have going on? We've got a pandemic of fear, and the way out of fear is through the portal is anger. So join me in this exciting 2 days where we see not just anger, which we've been told is bad, but anger is the impulse, the urge to act. And that urge is what needs to be managed. But we've been told anger is bad, and so what happens, it mixes up with fear, keeps us in the lower centers of our brain. We divide ourselves into us and them, and we attack each other, and we attack ourselves. If you are ready, if you're ready to do something different, to find the antidote to anger, and it's not just taking a deep breath, it's actually compassion, and learn how to systematically put it within yourself, within your school district, and in your classrooms and in your schools, and in addition, learn how to create a care room that stands for calming and recovery environment to help those kids who have reactive violence, which is this uncontrollable impulse, and also learn how to stop using fear to try to control others. Anger helps us keep our boundaries safe. It's a normal reaction to oppression. Let's get in there and figure out how we can change. Anger is our way, fear is the problem, and let's now create from the fear we're living in. Instead of hurting each other, let's how to use this to change our world and our educational system. I'll see you there.